Water. It gives life to every creature and every human being on this planet. It provides an escape towards that elusive place. Some call it sanctuary. Some call it paradise. At Aiper, we call it home. From water to land, we're revolutionizing how people experience a carefree outdoor lifestyle at home. Aiper's Smart Yard ecosystem transforms how people experience every aspect of their yards. In every corner of our backyard sanctuary, doing the work for you, giving you time, easing the everyday with Aiper's signature line of products. Keeping your yard, your sanctuary, clean. Providing you with the carefree confidence to enjoy those uninterrupted moments with the people you care about. Bringing you an elevated home lifestyle that feels like a personal getaway every day. Aiper. Bring vacation home.